Hello Bladers! Now that the rainy season is here, we're also more prone to floods. In the past few years, we've been bombarded with catastrophic typhoons that have also led to car owners dealing with car damages. As such, it would be wise to read a thing or two how to take care of your cars during or after a flood. After all, you'll never really know where and when you'll encounter it. So, here we detail a few of the things you should do after a flood. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are the things that you should do after a flood. Number 1, don't turn on the car. The most important thing to keep in mind after a flood is to never turn your car on without doing the necessary checkups. Remember that engines that have water in them can instantly destroy themselves when turned on. Number 2, dry the car. Dry out the interior of your car by parking it under the sun and removing those that can be detached. Start with the big things like the car seat to the carpets and the like to make it easier. After this, dry the switches and the plugs. To help you, try grabbing heavy-duty dryers to make sure you won't miss anything. Number 3, check your air filter. Survey your air filter first. If it appears to be okay, then go ahead and check on your transmission, your brake, your coolant, your power steering reservoirs, and most especially your fuel filter. If any of these are soaked in water, then call a towing company to get your car to a repair shop immediately. Number 4, check electrical features. If you're sure that there's no water left inside your car, then it's time to start your engine. Be on the lookout for anything out of the ordinary. Try checking on the other things as well, like the locks, the lights, the stereo, and the aircon. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of your flood prevention methods? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.